Naira-for-Crude oil policy carries significant implications for Nigerians' foreign exchange stability, revenue generation, and long-term energy security. A thorough examination of its framework will enable the committee to determine whether the policy is achieving its intended objectives, identify any gaps in its implementation, and highlight areas where adjustments may be required. Such an assignment will provide the House with clear guidance in exercising its legislative oversight and in ensuring that the policy contributes meaningfully to national development.
Nigeria is blessed with abundant crude oil reserves, yet the benefits of these God-given resources have not always translated into maximum value for our people. The volatility of the foreign exchange markets, over-dependence on the dollar, and persistent challenges facing our economy makes it imperative that we employ innovative ways to strengthen our currency, reduce external vulnerabilities, and secure long-term benefits for Nigerians.
We tabled the challenges we are having, especially with respect to crude, getting feedstock, which is crude. That now it's not been easy. From the marginal fields we pay in dollar. Our sales, more than 70% is in Naira. You go to the market to source. At the end of the day, are you really in business? It's not everybody that can muster and continue to still be afloat. So my expectation by this invitation tells me that the challenge we tabled before the House Committee on Downstream and Midstream was actually tabled before the House of Reps, which has informed this meeting, and it's a follow-up to hear us as a group, and then for the committee to go back and do what they will do to position us to really be productive and make our own contribution to the economy.
A key area of interest to DAPMAN while you're doing your work is the cost build-up, the actual cost at which refineries receive the crude oil that is being sold in the country, because this is a key factor in what the man at the pump gets the price of the fuel that he's buying. We want a situation in which when the man in the street, through transparency and openness in the pricing of crude oil to refinery, is able to, with all the parameters considered, get and assume a guess or even calculate what price of petrol he is getting, so that nobody will accuse any other person of cheating or hiding or doing any other thing.
Very capable and hardworking, other distinguished stakeholders, committee on the implementation and oversight. As I mentioned, today is the official inauguration of the